Hi everyone, it's Alicia with the Virginia Quilt Museum. I'm here to show off one of our first items from our upcoming online raffle. This is the White Christmas kit from Benartex, who is also our lovely sponsor of this raffle. So thank you so much to Benartex. Go visit their website, see all the great fun fabric that they have. So this kit has fabric and patterns and instructions to make this really cute table runner and placemats. Here you can see the fabric. Here's a little look at the instructions. But I really wanted to show you guys the fabric. So there's this adorable Santa, some cute prints. Oh, look at those snowmen. Then the same snowmen in green, reindeer, and then these angels. So tickets are on sale October 10th through 16th, online only. They're $10 each. We've got 18 or 20 items, so go bid on them as soon as they open. Buy your tickets and hopefully you'll be the lucky winner.